At least 27 people killed as roof collapses at nightclub in Dominican Republic. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. At least 27 people have died and more than 120 injured after a roof collapsed during a concert at a nightclub in Dominican Republic early Tuesday morning, according to authorities. Part of the building caved in at around 1 a.m. local time, while a singer and his orchestra performed, and at least 300 people were inside the venue at the time. Crews are searching for potential survivors in the rubble at jet set in the country's capital, Santo Domingo, according to the Center of Emergency Operations. We presume that many of them are still alive, and that is why the authorities here will not give up until a single person remains under the rubble, the organizational director Juan Manuel Mendez said. Meanwhile, among those injured was merengue singer Robbie Perez, who was performing when the roof collapsed, according to officials. His manager Enrique Palino told reporters at the scene that the concert began shortly after midnight, with the roof collapsing almost an hour later, killing the group's saxophonist.
¿Qué te pasó? ¡Papá! ¿Qué te pasó?
La cabina de aire, ¿por qué? La cabina de aire. Mira, mamá.
The Jet Set nightclub is one of the Caribbean nation's best known venues, and Monday night's events are particularly well attended. It happened so quickly, I managed to throw myself into a corner, he said, adding that he initially thought that it was an earthquake. At one of the hospitals where the injured were taken, an official stood outside reading out the names aloud of the survivors as crowd gathered around. It's not immediately clear what caused the roof to collapse. Links 007 TV will continue to track this story and have a subsequent report to come on this in a later newscast. Thanks for watching.